Hello everybody and welcome back to another Tax Tip Tuesday. Last week, our episode focused on the W-2. This week, we are going to talk about how to file your taxes for free using the IRS's free e-file service. This program is completely self-service, so you do need to keep that in mind. However, there are no charges or hidden fees to complete this service. So if you're interested, then let's get started. Beginning at the IRS's homepage, which you can access by going to www.irs.gov, we're going to select the File tab. Now, within this tab, there is a hyperlink labeled Individuals, so we're also going to click that. From here, we're going to select the option How to File on the left-hand menu, and then we're going to click Free File. Now, as you will see here at the top, it states that Free File is now closed. At the time that I am recording this, it is November 2023. So by the time you are watching this program should be up and running and the site might look a little different. But let's go ahead and take a look at what we can see. So we're going to scroll towards the bottom and we're going to take a look at exactly what this program is. And it states right here that the IRS Free File program is a public-private partnership between the IRS and many tax preparation and filing software companies who provide their own online tax preparation and filing for free. It provides two ways for taxpayers to prepare and file their federal income tax online for free, which is guided tax preparation, which states that it provides free online tax prep and filing at an IRS partner site. Other partners deliver this service at no cost to qualifying taxpayers. Taxpayers whose adjusted gross income is $73,000 or less will qualify for a free federal tax return. This is very important. Should your adjusted gross income exceed $73,000, there is a free file fillable forms option. It is essentially the digital equivalent to completing a paper form and mailing it in. But should your adjusted gross income exceed that threshold, you can complete the digital copy of common federal tax forms and submit it that way for free. So when we take a look at how this works, essentially you will choose from a list of free file providers. When you choose a particular provider from this list, you'll be redirected to that provider's website where you will create an account or log in with an existing account. And then from there, you will prepare and e-file your tax returns. Afterwards, you'll receive an email when the IRS has accepted your return. Now, what do you need to get started? Well, pretty much everything that you need when you file your tax returns in previous years, and that is a copy of last year's tax return to access your adjusted gross income, as well as the Social Security numbers for yourself, your spouse, and any dependents if necessary. Other required documents might be your W-2, which you'll see here, as well as any other documents pertaining to your Social Security, unemployment, etc. So I hope today's episode helps you just a little bit, especially when doing this for free. Stick around for next week as we will talk about yet again another tax tip that might be of benefit to you. And until next time, I'll see you then.